Alright, so you have built your app and now you want to upload your app to the Google Play Store. For that, you need to build your signed APK, right? Okay, so my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video, I will teach you how you can do that. There are 5 simple steps which you can follow with me to build your signed APK. Alright, so the first step is to creating your signing keys. So we have to generate our sign keys, right? So this is the command which I have also copied and pasted inside your description. You can copy from there. So let's just copy it and inside your project. So let's make a folder for your keys. Make a new folder. Let's say key. Okay. So we are going to that folder cd key, and inside that folder run that command. So two things which I need to tell you for this command is that this is the file name. You can change it to any file name you want. For now I have renamed it to yt underscore app, which is YouTube app. Okay. All right. So there's another thing which you should know is that here we have the alias name. Okay, you can update your alias name based on your app. So my name is YouTube app. You can change it to anything you like. Just run this command. It will ask for you about the password. Okay, so you can set any password here. Let's say I'm writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Press enter. Rewrite the same password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Press enter. Your first name and last name. Okay, and then what is the name of your organization unit? Let's say studio. You can write anything there. Organization is YouTube. City is KHI. State is synth. Two letter is PK. Okay, so if this information is correct, you can just write yes. Press enter. It will ask for the password of this key. If you want to keep the same password, just press enter. Okay, press enter. Okay, so the file is created and we can confirm this here. Let's open this folder. This file is created. So the step 1 is done. For the step 2, we have to create this file key property. So let's just copy this name, key properties. Copy inside your folder, go to the Android, right click on here, new file. Okay, this is the file name, key.properties. Press enter. It will create a file. So make sure this file is inside this Android folder, Android key properties, right? So now this file is empty. We just have to copy this up and paste it here. This content is also inside the video description. You can copy from there. So make sure you set your password. We entered this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can enter your own password here and here as well. This is the YouTube keyAlias which we set here. Let me show you here. This is our keyAlias. This one here, yt underscore app. This is same. This is the path of your file. Okay, so if you are in Windows, your path should look like this: C drive or any folder slash folder. So you can check that up. Okay, so save this file. Now step 2 is done. For the step 3, update Android app slash build.gradle file and add the following lines before Android. Okay, let's just copy this up. You can copy it from the YouTube description. Copy and open up, go to the Android app build.gradle. Scroll down before this Android. You just have to paste these few lines. Okay, step 3 is done. For step 4, go down. We again just have to copy these lines. Copy, go to the same file, and we just have to replace a block here. So this is a complete block from build types. So make sure you just remove this block and paste here. Okay, So I copied this up and pasted it here. Step 4 is done. Now is the final step. So this is the magic command which will build the release app now. Okay, so let's just save this up and clear it up. Flutter build apk dash dash release. If everything is good, it will build our release APK, which you can just upload to the Google Play Store. All right, it worked. So the application is inside build app, and then outputs, and then Flutter app. So this is the app which which I can just upload to the Google Play Store. So for the recurring updates, make sure you update your Flutter versions because same versions are not allowed at the Google Play Store. For the new update, you can set it to 2 or anything you like. So if I help you out, please subscribe my channel, support me, like this video and share with your friends who are the developers like you. And in the next video I will teach you how you can upload this release app to the Google Play Store console. Stay tuned.